Turning now to the Jeffrey Willis trial. He took the stand in his own defense today in the 2014 shooting death of Rebekah Bletsch.
It was the first time that Rebekah's family got to hear the voice of the man that they think killed their loved one. Barton Dieters has been in court every day of this trial, and he tells us why Willis's team wanted him up on that stand.
In the courtroom today, shock as Jeffrey Willis took the stand in his own defense. It is a gamble that many defense attorneys avoid at all costs. But Fred Johnson, the head of the Muskegon Public Defender's Office, decided the jury needed to hear from his client facing life in prison if convicted.
I imagine that you've been waiting a long time to tell your story.
I have.
So as the family of Rebekah Bletsch and the jury leaned forward in rapt attention, Willis worked to explain all the evidence that the prosecution has spent 2 weeks piling before them.
Why you got a list of serial killers?
When Miss Harrigan went missing, the rumors were, flying around, and there happened to be somebody that I work with that thought it was maybe a serial killer or something like that.
The list included California's toolbox killer. He explained that he hid the toolbox in his van filled with sex toys, a gun, bondage devices, and Viagra.
There was a guy that I work with, him and his wife were swingers, and I had the Viagra, I wasn't using it, he wanted it, I was bring it to him, bringing it into work for him.
Well, I'm asking you, you were watching videos of women being abducted, tortured, raped, and killed.
There was some that I seen, yes.
Some, how about thousands?
There was thousands of videos on there.
Then, as to why he was keeping computer files with the initials of his alleged victims and what prosecutors claim was an alibi creation.
Well, I don't trust the police.
You're squirreling away that phone record in 2014, but you didn't commit this murder.
No, I did not. I did not kill Miss Bletsch. I wasn't even there. I was home.
Attorneys in this case expected to wrap up tomorrow, with the prosecution calling a couple more witnesses, closing arguments, and then to a jury. The question is, did Jeffrey Willis hurt or help himself today? In Muskegon, Barton Dieters, 24-Hour News 8.
And we will be back in court tomorrow as the prosecution calls its rebuttal witnesses before the case finally goes to the jury. We'll have live reports starting tomorrow at noon.